We'd like to welcome you to Hunter College, and we're honored to host you for this Young Men's Institute, sponsored by Urban Assembly and TheBlackManCan.
Are you excited to be here today?
I heard you rap! Manhood, brotherhood! I heard you rap! Manhood, brotherhood!
First thing I'm gonna do is disprove the statistics.
Okay.
And without further ado, Mr. Chris Carter.
I'm not here for myself, I'm here for you guys. I'm here so that you might get a visual picture of what success, heartache, and good decisions, what they all look like.
My name is Malik Champlain.
My name is Chike Uzoka, the entrepreneur coach. My name is Kevin Saunders.
My name is David Adams. I am the Director of Social and Emotional Learning here at the Urban Assembly. The work that Brandon has done in order to empower young men of color has been something that we have deeply been interested in and think is really important for the academic and the life success of our kids.
I'm the beating heart of a race that I'm not accepting annihilation.
Hi, my name is Melvin Wigvall. I'm a dean for P17X. We participated in BlackManCan today, which was a wonderful program.
Today I had a workshop with the students called Live Inspired, Overcome Obstacles. And the whole point was to encourage them to set meaningful goals and then believe that they could achieve them no matter what obstacles that they face.
See, right now you guys are a little immature. Pay attention, all right? They can't help it. What you got to get used to is when you have a dream, you tell people your dream, all kind of people gonna laugh at you.
I'm the CEO, Chief Empowerment Officer over at Passion Hunger Drive Consulting. Where your ancestors from? They tell me slaves. So that tells me that they got here, you feel me? But they stopped here. Not understanding when I'm like, yo, what's up, king? Right? I'm speaking to that king inside of you. I'm speaking truth to you. I'm speaking power. I'm speaking to this pharaoh, to this king inside you.
You guys are very young right now. The younger you start saving your money, the better off you are going to be in the future. So step 2 is about where to park your money. Essentially, you don't want to put money in your mattress.
In school, I was a class clown. And I didn't really realize that it's so important to own in on your personality powers, because having charisma, being able to persuade people to do things, being funny, those are all things that are all they're about relating to people.
I'm here doing a pitch competition for young men. Have them create ideas, inventions, innovations that solve problems, and then they pitch it.
Part of being successful in life is, man, you're gonna have haters. You're gonna have distractors. You're gonna have people you think your friend now, and as you start getting successful, you're gonna start to see them trying to hold you back.
America as a capitalist society means that everybody somehow in this country is trying to make money, right? So the thing is, how do you make money? Via creativity. So how can you guys create something and make money with it?
What the young black males in the inner city need right now, what they're lacking, is for them to truthfully know that it's possible for their dreams to become a reality.
So my message for you young men of color listening right now is
To know that people care about you. Know that your struggles are not your own.
they're missing guys that are older, that look like them, that give a damn about them, that care. If you don't create a way to get paid while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Nobody wants that.
We all have struggled, and that people are willing and able to support you to being successful.
My name is Giovanni Smith.
Michael Medina.
Mobalaji.
Fido Jean-Louis.
I'm Kieran McLean.
It's good to know that black men out here can mean something to the world.
And I really enjoyed what the opportunities and the information that was given to me today.
My advice for kids, same as me, is follow your dreams. Don't let no one change your dreams.
It was really inspirational. It made me want to strive for more, strive for better.
I think it's a wonderful program because you empower people of color, black men of color, and I don't think there's enough of that in today's world.
You're going to have days when you just want to quit. But when you get back to your why, it keeps you rooted, and that's the thing that wakes you up the next day. That's the thing that keeps you going.
Wake up in the morning, it will be a new day. Because this racism is real, and it's spreading like a plague. If we don't face it now, it will never go away. The time is now. We'll right the wrongs. It might take time, but please keep on keeping on. Through we, MLK's dreams live on.
You got to invest in yourself. You got to believe in yourself when people don't want to believe in you. When people don't want to invest in you, you got to keep investing in yourself.
I will live my life as the wonderful creation I am.
I will live my life as the wonderful creation I am.